Hi everybody, Chocolate Fig Jam. I've just had a parcel delivered from good old Temu, so I thought I'll show you what's in it. Most of it is for either soap or candle molds. So yeah, so if you like seeing what people buy from Temu, keep watching. Quite heavy. I know I bought some sprinkles. So let's see. Can't see much there, but these are the bunny molds. So when I actually make those, and was 3 in the set, so they're bunny molds, so that'll be interesting. And yes, that's right, bunny molds. And remember what these things are. So these are bunny molds. Actually, there's not. Oh, she says making a racket. Yes, you can see these are big bunny molds. You can see there the ears at the top. So there was 2 of those I bought. So yeah, they'll be really cute for Easter. So they're for candles. So they'll be really nice. Sometimes people ask me to make them large wax items, and we use those just like you might in melt, because they smell really good, but they don't, because they're saying they don't want to burn them. And these are the sprinkles. Let's turn them around. They're actually made, they look like hundreds of thousands. And I've seen them being used in candles. So you put sort of around the outside or inside your candle jar, some wax, and then you sprinkle these in and they stick to the side, and then you fill it up and it looks really good and colourful. So I'm going to have a bash at that. I might not, I have to check to see if I need clear wax, because I'll just need to go back and have a look at the tutorial I saw. So anyway, there's that. And then this is a new soap mould, which I'm very happy I found this. So I'm looking forward to using this. It feels quite solid too, so that's good. It's got a patterned base. So when I do soap, I usually do a texture on the top. Well wrapped. So, oh yeah, that looks good. I'm happy because, you know, sometimes you're not sure what you're going to get, and this feels really nice and solid. That's really solid. And you can see there the pattern. So when I pour the soap, I could do 2-tone. You could do the top with, you know, you could do a layer of pink and then a white base or a swirl, but the top will have the pattern of roses on it. And that'd be really nice if you then went over that with a bit of gold mica and picked up some of those roses. So yeah, very happy with that. That's actually a really good buy, because the thing about it is it's a nice size, so the bars will be a nice size, and this mold is, you can see it's quite heavy. It's thick. See how thick that's the thickness of this whole mold, so it's not going to be all wobbly and wonky. And sometimes you get molds that are a bit cheap, they are a bit wonky, but this looks good, so I'm happy with that. So yeah, so that's the haul. I think these little ones here actually, I think they're roses. trouble is sometimes it's hard to remember what you bought, so I'd have to go back and have another look. I've got a feeling, yes, I think these little ones here are like a rose or more like a tulipy type flower. And I knew I got the rabbits. I have to go back and have a look and see what's in this. Oh, I know what they are. They're those cute little teddy bears, that's right. So I've got 2 of those. So they're like a little teddy bear. You could do the soap in that. That'd be a nice soap size as a gift. So I'll make a couple of those and with some melt and pour. And yes, I just realised when I looked inside, I could see the texture. They're little teddy bears. So yeah, they'll be really cute. They're a nice size. So very happy with those. Anyway, that's the haul from Temu. And as I use these, I'll show you how they work. See if they're any good. Anyway, have a great day, everybody. Cheers from Jill.